ಹಾಯ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಷಯ ಇದೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಐ ಸಿ ವೈ ಎಮ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಡಿಯಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ಇನ್ ಕೊಲಾಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯೂತ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಡಿಯಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಯೂತ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ Career Spo, the largest placement drive in the region. 250 plus companies, 50 plus startup expo, 10 plus business talks, direct placement opportunities with 500 plus companies. Next, explore startups, attend exclusive keynote sessions, build your professional network. ಫ್ರೀ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫೀಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್: ರೆಸ್ಯೂಮ್, ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಐ ಡಿ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಂಕನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೇನೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವಾಮಂಜೂರು, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು. 1 ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು 2 ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ನವೆಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈಗಲೇ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು, ಪಡುಬಿದ್ರೆ, ಕಿನ್ನಿಗೋಳಿ, ಕಾರ್ಕಳ, ಉಡುಪಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್, 25,000 ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್. This opportunity is available only for exiting insurance advisors or leaders and agency partners or employees. Please contact Hemant Kumar, Chief Business Associates, Axis Max Life Insurance, 9480 922 412. Next, currently seeking candidates several positions in the construction field, Dubai projects. Project manager experience with the high-rise buildings, project engineer experience with high-rise buildings, site engineer, draftsman, general foreman. Candidates should be available in the UAE. Interested individuals can send their CV. WhatsApp number +971 5652 59374. Looking for certified inpatient IP medical coder to join. Valid coding certification, strong knowledge of ICD, experience in patient medical coding and compliance. Type full-time job. Send your resume to the email ID careers careers@csh.ae. Next, receptionist cum call center, Abu Dhabi. Minimum 1 to 2 years of experience. Clinic with the preferably in UAE. 2 days week off. Location Abu Dhabi. Send your resume. Samar SAMAR at KAYANAE.com. Airport coordinators. Location Abu Dhabi. 5,000 to 10,000 salary. Resume send HR at RIDERABIA.com. Next, general dentist UAE nationals, part-time role, Dubai, DHL license or equivalent. Send your resume. windybugarin@nicolasasp.ae. Next, QA or QC professional position. Salary range 12,000 to 14,000. Bachelor degree civil engineering or related field. 10 years of experience. Email ID careers@asrs.ae. Hiring marketing team roles, graphic designer, packaging, designer, CRM, decorator. Preferred experience in FMCG and F&B or fashion retail. Email ID vikal.j at grandiose.net. Next, HR manager, remote job, a software company. Have management experience, HR management experience, preferably in IT or software. Email ID eman.saad at innovadigits.com, innovadigits.com. Admin executive, female candidates preferred to two positions. Company Sanco Environmental Services, location Dubai. Hiring immediate start, 1 to 2 years experience, English and MS office skills. Ready to join immediately. Careers CAREERS at cancouae.com. Next, IT support specialist Dubai. Salary 5,500. Immediate join preferred. Must be in UAE for face-to-face interview. Email ID recruitment at la-middle-mida.com. Next, multiple openings. Operation in charge, Arabic preferred. Marketing coordinator, sales support officer, operations executive, PR and influencer executive, content creators. Email ID claire.ronquillo at elitegroupholding.com. Next, HR recruiter Dubai, 2 years of experience required. Email ID luvitta.nunez at alfahimhq.com. Next, HR assistant Dubai, HR operations admin support. Email ID same in the above I said. Next, HR coordinator Dubai, 1 to 3 years of experience, HR or admin experience, hospitality a plus point. So email ID career at dx x not s x bmarine.com. Next, mechanical supervisor, fire systems experience minimum 5 years. Career at giscoauh.ae. Next, electrical supervisor, GISCO UAE, minimum 5 years experience, same above said email ID. Marketing manager, female Arabic speaker, strong background, brand, digital marketing. Experience in salon, spa, hospitality industry, a strong plus point. Location Dubai, plus 97155947818. Graphic designer, 2 to 5 years graphic design experience. Proficiency in Adobe Creative Suite, creative detail oriented and deadline driven. Same above said number. Male accountant immediate joiners, BCom degree, 1 to 2 years of accounting experience within the GCC. Male candidates only, 20 to 27 years, currently available in the UAE. So email ID HR at silver silver staruae.com.